The AI that will change the way you do research, it's crazy. Imagine you could save weeks of work and reach insights in record time. Meet GenSpark.ai, the tool that acts like a research machine on steroids. How does it work? Let's say you need comprehensive information on new methods for treating obesity. Instead of sitting for hours in front of hundreds of pages of research articles, you simply enter a question, and the AI goes on a mission. To review all scientific articles, studies, and any relevant knowledge available on the internet within 20 to 30 minutes, it comes back with a smart summary of all relevant information, insights that even experts may miss, reliable and up-to-date sources, a neat and clear report that is ready to use immediately. It's not just a time saver, it's a game changer. I used it recently, and the results left me stunned. I found information I had been looking for days in just 20 minutes and saved me dozens of hours of work. What can I do with it? Professional and academic research, industry and trend analysis, competitor and strategy review, medical studies and clinical analyses, writing in-depth articles and reports. And the most amazing thing? It skips unreliable information and filters out advertising noise. For more AI tricks and tools, don't forget to follow and share my page with your friends. Comment "research" to get the link in DMs.